The pursuit of wealth has long been associated with the desire for optimization and maximizing one's resources. However, a closer look at the behavior and mindset of rich individuals reveals that they are often more focused on achieving satisfaction rather than striving for constant optimization. This article explores the notion that rich people are satisfiers, not optimizers, and delves into the reasons behind this phenomenon. Before we delve into the behavior of rich individuals, let's establish a clear understanding of what satisfaction and optimization mean in this context. Satisfaction refers to the state of contentment and fulfillment one experiences when their desires and expectations are met. On the other hand, optimization involves the relentless pursuit of perfection, constantly seeking ways to improve efficiency and maximize outcomes. Many assume that once individuals amass significant wealth, they automatically become relentless optimizers, continuously seeking ways to accumulate more and maximize their resources. However, empirical evidence suggests otherwise. Surveys and studies have consistently shown that wealthy people prioritize personal satisfaction over optimization. Rich individuals often reach a point where accumulating more wealth brings diminishing returns in terms of overall happiness and satisfaction. Once basic needs and financial security are met, the pursuit of optimization loses its appeal. The focus shifts towards maintaining a comfortable lifestyle and finding fulfillment beyond material possessions. Optimization often requires significant time, effort, and sacrifice. However, many wealthy individuals value their time and personal well-being more than the endless pursuit of optimization. They recognize the importance of work-life balance, spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, and engaging in philanthropy or other meaningful activities. This prioritization of satisfaction over optimization stems from the understanding that true wealth extends beyond monetary measures. While optimization may involve taking risks and venturing into uncharted territories, rich individuals often display a preference for stability and security. They understand that maintaining wealth requires careful risk management and prefer to minimize uncertainty. This conservative approach aligns with the satisficer mindset, as they seek to protect their existing wealth rather than constantly pushing for optimization. Rich individuals who have achieved a level of financial success often possess a unique perspective shaped by their experiences. This perspective plays a crucial role in their shift towards being satisficers rather than optimizer. Having overcome various challenges on their path to wealth, rich individuals often develop a broader understanding of personal growth and fulfillment. They recognize that true success is not solely measured by financial metrics, but also by personal and emotional well-being. This realization leads them to prioritize satisfaction over optimization and seek holistic growth. Wealthy individuals often attribute their success, at least in part, to the relationships they have built along the way. They understand that optimizing their resources without nurturing these relationships can lead to a hollow existence. As a result, they focus on cultivating meaningful connections, fostering strong bonds with family, friends, and their community. Contrary to popular belief, rich people are often satisficers rather than optimizers. The pursuit of satisfaction and fulfillment becomes paramount once they reach a certain level of wealth. The diminishing returns of accumulation, the desire for work-life balance, risk aversion, and personal growth all contribute to this shift in mindset. By embracing satisfaction as a measure of success, rich individuals demonstrate that wealth is not solely about maximizing resources, but rather about finding contentment in all aspects of life. Ultimately, their focus on satisfaction serves as a valuable lesson for individuals at all levels of society, reminding us that true wealth goes beyond monetary measures and lies in the